Hi friends, it's Ms. Mahan. Your learning target for today is to solve perimeter and area word problems. Here is the first type of word problem. It says, your teacher puts two tables together to create one large workspace. How much butcher paper does she need to cover both tables? So when we're reading word problems, sometimes there's words that will stick out to us that tell us what we're supposed to do. In this case, the word cover means that we're going to find the area. So remember, area is length times width. We have two rectangles that are two tables, so we're going to find the area of both and then add those areas together to see how much butcher paper she needs to cover the whole area. So to do this, we need to separate our rectangles. So as you can see, I drew a line to separate the two rectangles. So now we know we have two. Here we have a length of 30 inches and we have a width of 60 inches. So that will be the area of rectangle 1. Now for rectangle 2, we have to do a little bit of extra work to find the two sides. So one of the sides is 30, and then the other side says 72. But 72 means this whole length, but we do not need to include this part. We only need to include the length for this. So we'll need to do 72 and take away this 30, and the difference is what this side is. So 72 minus 30 is 42. So after we find the area of both of these, we'll add those together. So let's do 60 times 30. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. And now we need to add a 0 at the end for the 30. So one of those tables has a square footage of 1800. Now let's do the next one. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 4 is 12, and then add the 0 to the end. So the second rectangle has a square footage of 1,260 inches. Now what we will do is add both of these together so that we have an area of the entire workspace. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, 8 plus 2 is 10, so we'll carry our 1, and then 3 ones added together is 3. Do not forget your measurement at the bottom or right after the number part of your answer. And then you can circle your answer because you did so much work that it makes it easy for me to find your answer. Here's the second type of word problem. It says, a worker installs fencing around two rectangular properties that join together. One rectangle is 99 feet long and 80 feet wide. The other rectangle is 22 feet long and 40 feet wide. How many feet of fencing to go around both properties? So here are some clues. The word around means that we're going to be doing perimeter. To find the perimeter of a space, we add all the sides together. So we are going to have some missing sides that we need to figure out, and then we can add all of the sides together. So here's our first rectangle. It says 99 feet long and 80 feet wide. So 99 and 80. The other rectangle, it says that they join together so they're attached, so I'm going to put it like this. The other rectangle is 22 feet long and 40 feet wide. So let's see, what are the sides that we need to find? We have this side and this side, this side and this side. So what we need to find is this line and this line. Let's start here. To find this line, we're going to add this number and this number together, 99 and 22, because those take up the whole length on the opposite side. So we know that it's going to match or be the same number total where we're trying to find. So 9 plus 2 is 11, carry your 1. 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12. And now to find this one, this length right here, we're going to find the difference between 80 and 40, because 80 has this whole length and then part of it is 40. So the difference of those is what will be the missing length. So 80 minus 40 is 40. Now we can add all the sides together. We have 99, 22, 40, 40, 80, and 121. So 40 and 40 and 80, that's going to equal 160. We know that 99 and 22 equals 121. So we're doing 121 times 2, or adding it to itself. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now we need to join these two numbers together, 242 plus 160. That will be 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, so carry your 1, and then 2 plus 1 is 4. So the perimeter around both of these rectangles is 402, and our unit of measurement is feet. That's the second one. Here's the last problem type. It says you and your friends help create a banner for an event at your school. The banner has a length of 15 feet and a width of 3 feet. How much ribbon will you need to go around the banner? So if you remember from the last one, there's a certain word that tells us what we're going to do, and that word is around. Perimeter means around. So here's our banner. It says it's 15 feet wide and 3 feet long. So if we do 15 plus 3, that equals 18. And now we can times this by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry your 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we would need 36 feet of ribbon to go around our banner. And that's it.